Hey, thanks for watching. It's Carver 13. If you don't want to learn about chemtrails, geoengineering, and the reasons why and who thought of it, turn it off now, please. This is a video that is going to show you geoengineering. It's going to discuss it, and at any time you can pause it and read these particular items I put up. This is here in Mesa, Arizona, November 14th, the building of a storm. Now, we're going to discuss what geoengineering is really about. The short side is it's for manipulating weather for the good or the bad. Who knows? So I went for a little plane ride. I decided to take a little footage. And you can see the discolored clouds in the background. I do believe that is a geoengineered path. There was definitely... This is the troposphere, just so you know. That's below the stratosphere. So you can see above us is the stratosphere, below us is trop. So long story short, it was certainly cold. So days before they were really hammering us, and I had no idea what I was in for when I got to Indiana. A lot of ice, no snow, a lot of ice. Now, when I was coming home, leaving Chicago, that's the way you go. So I was flying Chicago to Phoenix, and the sun was on the, I guess you would say, driver's side of the plane. So that is where I filmed. Now I didn't have an aisle seat, unfortunately. So I went to the little back window, and I took a little bit of footage. And this is what I found. So we're going to watch the side on the way home in the sun. And you can see the tubular cirrus clouds, which is geoengineering, which is made of chemicals, which creates a cirrus cloud in the right temperature at the right spot with the heated engine. Of course, it always helps when you have additives. It doesn't hurt a bit. So there were quite a few lines. Now, this window is small. It is like a fishbowl, I realize. And I apologize, it's the best I could do. But what's important here is look at the different bands. There's a dark band, there's a clear band, there's a lighter band. Yes, there's layering in the stratosphere, look it up. I mean, not to be rude, of course. But if you do look down at some of the lower altitude, there is some type of manipulation in the troposphere where contrails don't like to live. So, now this is Arizona Mesa. You know, they're everywhere. Everyone's seen them. The important thing here is I've decided to do a little work on this. So I decided to look up a really cool website called StopSprayingUs.com. It's about geoengineering. And if you want to kind of try to realize what's going on, you know, they've been making patents on geoengineering since April 27, 1920. You know, it's a process and apparatus for the production of intense artificial cloud, fog, or mist. That's not yesterday. That's close to 100 years old, if my math is okay. And it goes on. Airplay spray equipment, electrical steam generators, smoke screen generators, spraying device. I mean, I have got a list. I'm going to post some. Electrically heated smoke producing device. That's a good one. Material diffusing apparatus for aircraft. Heating device for use with aerosol containers. Rainmaker. Fluidized particle dispenser. Method and apparatus for seeding clouds. Trapped electromagnetic radiation communication system. Try saying that 3 times fast. Artificial ion cloud. Control of atmospheric particles. Oh, I should have given you some dates. 1970. Now that is a contrail. Ta-da! We are in the stratosphere at 33,000 feet, and there's a contrail. It's absolutely amazing. I was very happy to see it. Weather modification utilizing microencapsulated materials. That was 72. Pyrotechnics compromise of oxide for silver for weather modification. That's July 1872. So, I like this one. April 15th, 1975. Freezing nucleant. You guys want the numbers, or can you look it up for yourself? Communication system utilizing modulation of the characteristic polarization of the ionosphere. That's chafing. That's 75, by the way. Let's go more recent here. Let me get up here. Oh, don't forget Monsanto's. They're in here. Let's see. One of my favorite. Electrohydromatic aerosol device having a time varying voltage. How do you like that? They can drop something that decides when it wants to charge up. Atmospheric injection of reflective aerosol for mitigation of global warming. That's 2010. That was a bit ago. Environmental. Okay, let's see here. Modification by Royal Rainmaking Technology. It goes on and on. And then you see it. Now look at that thing dripping down. This is why I took this footage. This is over my house. You hear my voice? Excuse me. It's not on purpose. You know, it's amazing. I mean, I'm really hoping that I don't get cancer out of this again. I've already had it. You know, and why? Why? Why would my autoimmune system suddenly flare up? Why would cancer suddenly show up on my body? Why would my dog sit here, my 8-pound little chihuahua, and cough on the couch because her allergies are suddenly acting up? I've been gone for 3 days. She's Saturday, November 17th, Carver 13, Mesa, Arizona. We are under attack by Geoengineering, which is putting barium in chemicals, aluminum, carbon, coal ash, a list of stuff I don't need to bother. We are under attack. Our skies are being inundated. Handfuls and handfuls of garbage. And nobody's doing anything. None of us can crack the code. And I don't really know. I've been trying to make videos that were sort of passive, that at least I could stomach, because I can't stand this shit. Now, you notice how that dirty little polluter is leaving dots? You guys need to understand something right now. This plane is not having engine malfunctions. You see this? This is not an engine malfunction. This is geoengineering. Look it up. If you care about your children, if you care about your future, if you care about shit, we have got to stop this, you guys. Or we might as well just get our heads buried in the sand and party it up. Because I'm going to tell you something. They're taking us out. They're killing people, man. It's real. It's totally real. These chemicals are taking people down. Come on, dude, this trail's where we start going. There's a war going on, boys and girls. And it's on us. It is not